Today we learn about probability, right? So what is the meaning of probability? Probability means possibility, किसी चीज़ के होने या ना होने की संभावना, और you can say certainty or uncertainty of an event, right? So I am explaining this about probability by giving you an example. Suppose if we throw one coin, then two possibilities are there only. There are only two possibilities, right? What is that? Either head will come or tail will come. So we have two possibilities. If we toss a coin, either head will come or tail will come. So we can say total possibilities are two, and we denote it by sample space also, either H or T. Suppose I arise in question that if we toss a coin, then what is the probability that head will come? Only head will come. So the formula for probability is favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Total outcomes. Right? So according to this formula, favorable is only one case. See, there is only one case that head will come, right? So it is favorable, but the total outcomes is two, because either head or tail will come, right? Similarly, if I said what is the probability that tail will come, then according to this formula, favorable is again 1 and total is 2. Okay? Because in favorable we have only one tail, so favorable outcomes are 1 and total are 2. Now I am taking an example when we toss two coins. Now I toss two coins. Then how many possibilities are there? See, so we can say the sample space here is, sample space means total favorable outcomes, total number of outcomes. कितनी possibilities हो सकती है? If we toss two coins, either both the head will come, both tail will come, first head or tail will come, or in the first case tail and head will come. So 4 possibilities are there, right? So if I said what is the probability that one head will come? So see, in how many cases one head will come? 1, 2. So favorable are 2, but the total are 4. तो इन चारों में से कुछ भी सकता है, right? Now you have to represent this in lowest form always. If it is already in lowest, then no need to change, otherwise you have to cancel out and answer in lowest form, right? See here, the answer is 0.5 if you convert in decimal. So I want to tell you one thing more, that probability of a particular event always greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 1. Always it lies between, it is like greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 1. Now some more question arise in this. In case of two coins, if we toss two coins, see, if I said what is the probability that both tail will come? So there is only one single case is there, that both one tail will come, okay? Both the tails are there. So it is one case. So favorable outcome 1 and total are 4. Right? Now we take the example of 3 coins. If we toss 3 coins, then what happened? See, it is very important. Either all the heads will come. Suppose in case of 2 heads, in case of first 2 coin, 2 head will come, and on the third case we have tail. So we arrange these 2 head in 3 ways: first 2 places, last 2 places, or first and last. So that means 2 head will come in either of these 3 ways, right? Similarly, tail, first 2 places tail will come, or you can say last 2 places or you can say first and last, right? So 3 cases are of 2 tail and 3 cases are of 2 tail. You have to arrange like this: first 2 places, last 2 places, and first and last. Similarly, we complete this in the case of 2 tails, and the last one is all the 3 tails will come. So in totality we have 8. Total number of outcomes will be 8, right? So we have to write like this. Now the question is, what is the probability that 2 heads will come? Now see, 2 head, in case of 2 head we have 3 cases, right? So favorable is 3, but total are 8, and it is already in lowest form. So the probability of coming 2 head is 3 by 8. Suppose I said probability of at least 2 heads. What is the meaning of at least 2 heads? कम से कम 2 हेड होने ज़रूरी हैं, राइट? तो दैट मीन्स 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा वाला केस हम लेंगे, तो 2 और 3 वाला केस ले लेंगे हम, 2 हेड और 3 हेड वाला. एटलीस्ट मीन्स कम से कम 2 होने चाहिए हेड, राइट? तो कम से कम 2 होने चाहिए, यानी ज़्यादा कितने भी हो सकते हैं, लेकिन 2 से कम नहीं होना चाहिए. सो वी हैव टू सी द केस ऑफ 2 heads and 3 heads. See, in case of 2 head we have 3 cases, and 3 head we have 1. So 3 plus 1, 4. So the total favorable outcome favorable outcomes is 4, and total is again 8. So we change in lowest form, we have 1 by 2, right? Suppose I take the case of at most 2 head. What is the meaning of at most 2 head? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 2 से ज़्यादा नहीं. दैट मीन्स 2 वाला केस भी और 1 हेड वाला भी और 0 हेड वाला भी, तीनों केसेस हम ले सकते हैं. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 2 होने चाहिए, 2 से ज़्यादा नहीं होने चाहिए. दैट मीन्स 2 से ज़्यादा तो बस है ही एक ही केस है आपके पास, वी हैव ओनली 1 केस. तो 2 हेड वाला, 1 हेड वाला और 0 वाला, तीनों केसेस विल कम इन दिस केस, राइट? सो दैट मीन्स except this case we have favorable all these 7. So the favorable is 7 and total is again 8. That's it.